I went to this place here in Legazpi City, and this is a very famous place actually because it's just right behind the Mount Mayon volcano. It's like 2,400 plus meters high, and one of the most active volcanoes in the whole world. And in the Philippines, it's the most active volcano. And I believe that this church here was destroyed when the volcano erupted more than, I believe, more than 150 years ago. Erupted. It's actually world famous because of its iconic shape, and as you can see, it's really a nice perfect shape. And it's rainy, but there are still tourists. Typical provincial place, see? I think these are the ruins of the church here. Here. The ruins of the church. Okay. This is what's left around here. And then the tower. By the way, the reason why in the Philippines they build churches like this is the body of the church, and then here the tower next to it, is because there are a lot of earthquakes, so they want to make sure that the tower doesn't fall on the side or on the church. And that's the technique that the Spanish implemented when they came to the Philippines. Let me zoom in on the volcano a bit. Here you go. Okay, thank you. Tabaco City. No, later, okay? Okay, good, yeah, thanks. So, I'm here in Tabaco City. And yeah, I'll check it out later. And just arrived, and this is on the side of the volcano. It goes down, here's fog, and as you can see, there's a lot of fog right now, and it's raining. And it's really fun to drive up here because it's like the intestines of a chicken. Really curvy all the way up here. Very nice.